What's our AI ADAS DashCam?
1. Start and go warning. When you're waiting at a traffic light and the car ahead starts to move, it'll remind you to follow. 2. Front car moving detection. It will detect the vehicles around you. 3. Forward collision warning. When your car approaches the car in front, it will quickly judge your speed and warn you that you are about to collide with the car in front. 4. Lane departure warning. When your car leaves the current lane and does not use the turn signal, it will alert you that your car is deviating from the lane. 5. Bumper collision warning. When your car is close to the car in front of you, it will judge by your speed and warn you that your car is about to touch the front bumper. 6. Pedestrian collision warning. It will detect pedestrians around the car and alert you to pedestrians crossing the road ahead. So, are these functions clear to you? We have a variety of design of dashcam for you to choose. Welcome to Consult.